Hey everyone, what's going on? Currently I'm standing outside what's going to be the Cape Square movie theater and more, because they're doing a lot more stuff. And we were here about 2 months ago and gave an update for you guys. Since then, it looks like most of the exterior of the building is done. I don't think anything really happened inside the theater yet, but I wanted to go ahead and walk around the building with you guys and show you the progress before we get started. Make sure you subscribe, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. So last time we were here, this entire place was fenced off. The sign was completely gone. All this was under construction. The blue was somewhat still there, but now we're getting closer and closer to a finished product, at least on the outside. Just looking over here, they added up this entire gray side. They redid this whole canopy. It used to be a big wave in blue. That's gone. Now it's just a black box. So you have these 3 different color schemes you're gonna look at here. The brown, the gray, and the black. Now, what's funny is that the wave is still under here a little bit. It's kind of disguised, but the original part is still here. And looking inside, nothing really has gotten done, at least on the movie side. The original lobby's still here. Gonna move down over here. You can see everything is still the same in here. Though you can tell they did work on the other exterior of the building. But we're gonna walk down here, because down here is where they're gonna have supposedly the bowling and all the other things. It's supposed to be, I think, an ice cream place over here and a restaurant, a bar. I know if you compare the before and after photos, this looked pretty similar to what they said it was gonna go here. So we're gonna walk down here just for a quick second. Rent a Center is open. This place here, I believe it used to be an ice cream place at one time, and it's going to be again. I mean, you can look inside and see up there, Game of Cones. We'll move over towards the right. You can see inside, this is massive in here. I don't know what everything is actually gonna be laid out to be. Gonna make our way down more. Really isn't much to look at. Everything is still kind of under construction, but it's nice to see everything kind of separated and getting things together. It's gonna be a really cool atmosphere in here with the tables, all the chairs with music going on. It's also, I don't realize how big this whole area is. It's another room in here. Continue down, there's gonna be another store. It looks like this is the planning room for everything. You can actually see the blueprints in here. You can see how they plan to do all of the work. This actually, yeah, this is their planning room. You can see their parking lots and everything they have laid out. Blueprints are really massive. But we'll continue down. Let's see what we can see inside this section. Nothing really. I mean, everything is still kind of under construction. Nothing too much that's going on. Now, this will be an easeway where you can walk from that parking lot this way, because it's a 2-sided building. So there's a face on that side, but if you go down this end, there's another entrance here. See, they're building a parking lot back here. Entrance to this side of the building. And if you continue down to the left, there'll be entrances to other different industries they're adding in here. I don't know what those buildings are going to be. But look at all of this nice work they're putting in here. This great landscaping. This is going to be the main entrance in I don't know to what. We don't know what exactly the layout is. But this looks really, really nice. A lot more work to go though. Continuing down to the other side, they had the landscaping in. That just came in recently. And then down here is the face of other businesses that can go in there. That's human services. This is for the vet clinic, all the way down. This looks exactly like the blueprints we showed you guys a few months ago. I don't know if you can see it. So this building, exterior-wise, looks like it's pretty much completed. Now it's the interior that's really what's left. And just to give you guys another view inside from the other entrance, you can see there's a lot of work going on. Can't really see down, but it goes all the way down to the other side. As we make our way back in, I feel like that's going to be like some kind of restaurant where you can get the food and probably eat in this little easeway. And I know that closes at a certain time at night, so maybe this is part of the whole atmosphere. I really don't know. There's a lot of questions we kind of still have that haven't been answered yet. For example, I don't know when the official date is. I sent them an email and haven't heard anything back. I know for the most part, a lot of movie theaters were shut down due to the pandemic. So it kind of makes sense where they're kind of just taking their time. Also, looking at the blueprints, like these gray walls right there, they were supposed to be like wheelie down things. And I don't know if they just installed, like these are brand new. So I don't really know what's going on. But hey, they keep changing things, and before you know, yeah, actually, you know what? I actually think this is the original windows. They're gonna knock these down. So many questions that still need to be answered. But anyway, if you want more updates, make sure you are subscribed, you turn on notifications, and you give this video a thumbs up. I feel like I have more questions now than I do answers. Like, for example, this wall's gotta get knocked down, right? I believe this is supposed to be one of the entrances. Right? And then why paint it gray? So many questions. Anyway, thank you. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and thank you to my patrons on patreon.com. It's because of you guys I get to walk around here and give you guys all the scoop and everything. If you too want to support this channel, there's a link in the description below. Anyway, I'm Joey. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.